Hello, today I am going to show you how to carve the maxillary first premolar. It's similar to the carving which I have shown already with incisor and canine. You have to mark the outline from the buccal aspect after measuring the total height of the maxillary premolar on the labial side. This is on the proximal surface, either mesial or distal, whichever you want to be. The same outline of the maxillary premolars must be drawn. Anyway, once I cut this will disappear. I have to redraw it. Let me show you now how to start this carving. Hold it like this, go straight and cut it like along the lines like this. So when you finish, you will get a very smooth outline like this. This side is similar, where you have to carve straight line. You have got it like this now. And now the markings which I marked earlier is gone now. I have to redraw my markings. Slightly it is convex, both lingually as well as buccally. And the root almost begins and slowly becomes tapered as it reaches the apex. So I marked it like this, and I can make an outline. So now this is my outline on the proximal surface. Like I've cut it earlier, the same way I must go now. This is the way you have to cut it. The total height is 24.5. Okay, and now you have to cut it on the labial aspect like this. The crown is slightly shorter from the occlusal plane lingually, and I have made it like this. Now the next step is make an uneven area. The lingual side is smaller compared to the buccal surface. Like this you carve it. The lingual is smaller, the buccal is larger. Make a central area, line, carve it like this, like you do it for your canine tooth. Only thing, the mesial arm is larger compared to the distal arm. So the distal arm, the mesial arm, like this. The distal arm is smaller, the mesial arm is larger. Canine it is reverse. So when you look at from the labial aspect, it will look like canine, but only thing, it has two cusps. Now I am going to make similar slopes on the lingual side. So I made it, and stretching my extent of this buccal area, cervical area on the buccal side and on the mesial side. Like this. So now I am going to carve the occlusal surface. I finished great part of my crown carving. Then I have to rub it to get the required final shape of the premolars. The lingual side is smaller in all dimensions. And you know there is a sharp cuspid-like appearance similar to the canine on the buccal side. I'm just refining the occlusal outline. Now I have to refine my cervical outline again. This is the way to refine it. This is my mesial side and this is my distal side. So I've done it. And I have to carve my root outline. Take the carver and check for the root configuration. As it goes to the apex, it is slightly thinner. I've given the tilt now, and you all know that there is a slight depression on both the labial surface as well as the lingual surface. Now I'm just doing the final polishing like this, like this. So over the labial side, this arm is distal, which is smaller, the mesial arm is longer, the mesial side, the palatal side, the distal side, and the occlusal surface you can see now. You want to deepen this, you can still more, you can deepen the root like this. And you know that the buccal root tilts lingually and the lingual root tilts buccally. I hope you can carve relatively easier now with paper cutting knife. Thank you very much.